So this is our pre-compensated nut tuning test. So I'm playing the 7th fret and corresponding octave all the way across. The bridge has been adjusted for those notes. 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and 1st string. Those notes are perfectly in tune. 7th fret, corresponding octave. Now we'll make our way across the 12th fret fretted note, 6th string, and open. Not too bad, about 3 cents flat. A string, 12th fret. And about 4 cents flat. D string, 8 cents flat. G string, 10 cents flat. Pretty close, 2 cents flat. 1st string. Perfect. So we got 1 out of 6 strings, perfect. And what we're going to do is I'm going to tune the open string, fret the 1st fret note. So open string, and 1st fret. Not bad, 3 cents sharp. A string, and 1st fret. 4 cents sharp. Okay, the D string, and 1st fret. 4 cents sharp. And now that G, and its 1st fret. 5 cents sharp. 2nd string, and 1st fret. That's pretty close, like 2 cents sharp. And the 1st string, and 1st fret note. That 1st string is very good all the way across. 7th fret, octave, 12th fret, open string, 1st fret. That 1st string needs no compensation whatsoever. So I am going to put a compensated nut, do the complete setup. We're going to come back and do the exact same tuning check. You be the judge. Here we go, apples to apples, the exact same tuning test. So we'll start with the 7th fret, octave, 12th fret, open, and 1st fret. A string, okay, so 7th fret, octave, 12th fret, open, and 1st fret. D string, 7th fret, octave, 12th fret fretted, open, and 1st fret. 3rd string, 7th fret, octave, 12th fret, open, and 1st fret. 2nd string, 12th fret, open, and 1st fret. And 1st string, octave, 12th fret, open, and 1st fret. Now the 1st string was the one string that was perfectly in tune, if you remember from the last tuning check. But now, end to end, all of the notes, all of the chords, all of the strings. And I have to admit that the PRS guitars are miles closer than your typical Gibson Les Paul as far as tuning, and I think that's one of the reasons they became so popular. Right out of the gate, they're fairly close, but they're not this close. This is as good as it gets.